Hi guys, this is Tanveer Shah. How are you? I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to create a visiting card in Photoshop. This class will be fine for beginners. So let's start the video. First of all, create a new file and keep its size as width 3.5, height 2. Units should be in inches and click on landscape icon. Then hit OK. Now create a margin boundary so that text should be inside of card. Now create a new layer with Ctrl Shift N from keyboard and set outline on this selection from edit menu. Now set its color and size, then hit OK. Lock this layer respectively. Now make a brand new layer and fill it foreground color. Now create a new layer and draw an ellipse for background graphics. Now set this ellipse as size you want. And align it vertically center. Then cut bottom layer from ellipse layer. After that, delete ellipse layer and move on. Pick magic wand tool, select blue color and delete it from keyboard. Now make a duplicate layer. Go to layer style dialog to edit its color, bevel and shadows for a little bit creativity. But keep it in mind, this is basic card design. Create one more copy of this layer and arrange it. I am moving this layer from arrow key. I think I should change its color. White color will be great, so let's change it. Now create a polygon shape from toolbar and draw as required and set its corner radius from property panel. Now rotate the polygon and resize. And set it as required. Change its color to white from layer style dialog. Then set its drop shadow value as per required. After that, hit OK. Now duplicate the polygon and resize it. And change the drop shadow value, keep it little bit decrease. Now we need a logo to set here, so we are going to get the logo from our another file and set it here. Now we need to create a company name and format it with color and size etc. This is company slogan we are creating now. And it should be smaller than company name and set it below the company name, same like it or as you want. Now we are going to make heading attractful. Go to layer style dialog from layer panel, then choose any color. Get the duplicate first, then change the color from layer style. And move it from corner to corner. And get one more duplicate from this layer. And again go to layer style and make it more stylish with the value of drop shadow and bevel and emboss. Now we just change slogan text color, same as heading color, via picking from eyedropper, then it's okay. Now we need to set the text with size and moving. Now take brush from toolbar, then create a layer and keep its size very small like pencil and hold shift key. Draw a straight line from top to bottom. Set it and make two more its copies. Then select both layers and resize. Now move them with arrow key from keyboard and decrease space between these layers. Now select all of these layers and make them folder and rename it. Now drag these icons into the screen and set it as required. Now pick text tool and write phone number. Then copy this layer. Now set the web address next to the web icon. After that, again duplicate it from Ctrl J or Alt plus drag and write email address. Finally, make one more duplicate for writing main address like home and office. I think it should be some big. Now find first layer called margin boundary and check the matter should be inside, then delete it now. Now we need to change those colors for matching colors. Now check these icons background color. This is totally black and our theme is blue. so we must change it. So how should we do this easily? Let's do this job. So create a new layer and make a rectangular selection. Then fill foreground color blue. Now go to blending modes and select screen mode. Now you can check. This is the result in front of you. I hope guys you enjoy and learn something. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.